Okay, guys, this is gonna be a 6 foot shadow box, similar to this, but ours is better, of course. It's gonna be number 2 Japanese cedar, no stain. We're gonna do pressure treated boards, pressure treated rails, and a kickboard on here, and then one gate right here. We're gonna keep the gate where it is right here. So pressure treated 2x4s, pressure treated kickboard number 2, dog eared Japanese cedar number 2 here, and also here 6 foot here. We're gonna have to move some of this stuff here, but he's gonna talk to the neighbor, so you'll be able to go and work on this side. So we are keeping, of course, we got to keep the poles on the inside on this side because of the situation here. So once we knock this down here, we'll have plenty of room here. Okay. Then over here, we're not messing with this here. We're not doing anything here. Then over here, we are going to the 8 foot is gonna the 8 foot's gonna stop. Okay, so we're gonna stop the 8 foot about that post right there, right by the garage. So 8 foot this way. All this is gonna be 8 foot. Same style. Japanese cedar number 2. This Japanese cedar number 2, and 3 pressure treated kickboards, or three rails, 2x4 rails, 3 kickboards where they need to be. I did 3 all the way. So just put as whatever you can. Definitely 3 in the back this way and to about right there, and then here kind of fades off here. So and then I'm thinking on the 8 foot, let it blend in, let it smoothly blend in instead of a step down, because it looks weird with the dog eared. So right here, he said he knows that some of this stuff will get damaged or picked up, which he's fine with that. He said he's okay with us, because I told him some of this stuff is going to get damaged here, and he said that's all right. And then I told him we'll later give him a quote on fixing this. So I'll measure it out and see what we can do later. So that's it there. I'm going to replace all this here. All this is going to be 8 foot with 3 kickboards on the bottom. Now here's a situation right here. There's a bird nest in here, a bird box. The wife doesn't want, she wants to keep this here. So we're going to have to work around this. We can trim it up. We can trim it. But this has to stay. There's a bird box, a bird nest, a big bird nest in there. So we got to be careful with that. That's the only thing that's kind of weird. So we're gonna have to work around that, Bernie. And then we're gonna come this way. I already told them that we're gonna have to cut some of these shrubs a little bit. And then remember, they got a swimming pool. So if we're gonna leave this open, which I don't want to, we're gonna have to use that barrier, okay? Because they got a swimming pool. Also, right here, this gate, we need to put the spring on it. It's a pool, so remember, we have to have that lock up. So let me show you the outside. Here. Not bad. Here. There's the gas line. We'll need a permit. So 3 kickboards, give it a nice, it's the way he wants it. There you go. Because right now, It's about 8 feet tall. So, yeah. So I'm thinking we could use. I'm thinking we could use 6-foot pickets on this side over here. So I'll measure it out. We'll discuss that later. But we use 6-foot pickets with the 3 2x6s all the way to there. So that could probably keep us at. Yeah, maybe we can do that. And yeah, because that right here, it's about 12. That's about a foot, and a little more than a foot. So this is 8 feet. My hand, so 8 feet's like right there. So okay, but we'll see.